Hey, Bull Market Bully Crew. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the hottest stocks. Today we're diving into HIMS and HERS Health Inc. HIMS. Stick around for crucial insights on this telehealth giant. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay ahead of market trends. Let's kick things off with the financials. HIMS and HERS Health has been on an impressive growth trajectory. In Q2 2024, they reported a revenue of $315.6 million, up 52% year over year. Driven by strong demand for telehealth services, their subscriber base is now at 1.9 million. They've achieved profitability, posting a net income of $13.3 million. A major milestone for a company investing heavily in growth. Now let's talk market trends and competition. HIMS and HERS operates in a rapidly growing telehealth sector. Their main competitors include Roman, Ro, Nurx, and Lemonade Health. HIMS and HERS has strong brand recognition among millennials, and they've vertically integrated their supply chain. Strategic retail partnerships with CVS and Walmart give them an edge. Looking ahead, the future is full of opportunities and challenges for HIMS and HERS. Their expansion into new product categories like weight management, hitting a $100 million annual run rate, and international expansion into markets like the UK are promising. However, they're not out of the woods yet. The telehealth industry faces constant regulatory scrutiny, and sustaining profitability amidst rising competition is critical. So, what does all this mean for investors? HIMS and HERS Health is a classic growth stock, with a high PE ratio reflecting market expectations. If you're a growth-oriented investor with a tolerance for volatility, HIMS and HERS could be a compelling addition to your portfolio. Their recent profitability is encouraging, but watch for significant price swings. Now for the final grade, HIMS and HERS Health earns a solid B+. They're a rapidly growing company with strong brand recognition. However, the competitive landscape and regulatory risks keep this from being an A stock just yet. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on HIMS and HERS. And here's that bonus tip I promised: pay attention to HIMS and HERS retail partnerships with big chains like CVS and Walmart. These partnerships not only expand their reach but also provide a stable revenue stream that could help the company weather competitive pressures. If HIMS and HERS continues to deepen these partnerships, it could be a significant catalyst for future growth. Thanks for watching, Bull Market Bully Crew, and see you in the next video.